Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at newly inaugurated tech center of Phillips Machine Tool in Noida, and I am here with Mr. Rahul from Auxein Medical. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank you
for
very
your
much.
time. Please
Hi,
tell us about Auxein Medical.
I am Rahul this side from Auxein Medical. We are into the manufacturing and export for the orthopedic implants and instrument, which is basically a medical devices. And we have been in the industry for last 14 years. And we are like one of the most biggest like export house for the orthopedic implants and selling our products to across 80 countries. And I mean, this is like something which is upgrowing after the pandemic, and like a lot of technology has come up with the medical device industry. So it is like pleasure to join you guys.
Great, sir. Thank you for having us here. And I think your story is perfect story of making India for the world,
Right.
right? And we wish you all the best. So, kindly tell us how your experience, how was your experience with Philips Machine Tool, and why do you prefer their machines particularly?
Yeah, I mean, with Philips it's like a long association together. We have been working with them for last 15 years, and the first machine that we bought like with their one of the partner called HAAS Automation, and from then and there like it becomes a journey like a family, and it is all because of the quality, and the most important is their service. And like when you buy a machine, the service is the most important part of it, and their spare parts, their capacity of investment in their tech centers and throughout all India. So that is great part, and it is hardly like it was never a time that when we call a service guys and they are like available in the same day. So that is like great for any industry,
Yes.
and India being the huge base for the manufacturing and upcoming many more entrepreneurs like us, I would strongly recommend them to go with the Philip Corporation. Not only because of the machine, because of the service and the quality and their commitment.
Great, great. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your
Thank you
time.
very
Thank
much.
you.